Welcome to this new video. We are going to discover together the input condition. The idea behind the input condition is about which input, which button on your VR controller you should use to make the condition valid. To explain how to use that condition, we are going together to make an example. We are going to take a lighter, and when we will press on a specific button on our VR controller, we will kind of turn on a flame on that lighter. So in our project hierarchy here, we are going to look for the lighter interactive object. So it's here called lighter open01 IO interactive object. So I'm going to click on it. And so we are going to take a look at the hierarchy of our project, and we are going to look for the lighter interactive object. So actually it's here, lighter open01 IO for interactive object. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to open the little arrow. And here I'm going to click on interaction. If it's not open, you just open on the arrow again. And then we are going to choose the input condition just here. So by selecting it, we are going to have information in the inspector on the right. And I'm going to scroll a bit. And as you can see, for this interaction, we already have the action that is set up, which will basically activate a flame on the lighter. So that's the result of our interaction, but we want to create the condition, which is to press a button. So we are going to click on Add Condition, and we are going to select Input, Controller Input here. So then I scroll a bit more, and we can see the controller input condition. Choose a platform. I'm going to choose the Oculus Touch because I'm using an Oculus VR headset, and for the moment it's mostly working for the Oculus headset. So I recommend you to try this with an Oculus if you can. I'm going to use the left joystick of the VR headset, and I'm going to choose the Y button, which is supposed to be one of the two buttons. You can check on your controller, there is the name of the buttons on them. So it's the little circle button at the top of the left controller. You will see when we are in VR. And I'm going to choose pressed for the state because I want this condition to be valid when I press this Y button on my left controller. Okay, so now we should be good. It should be working. So I'm going to go into VR and let's see if it works. Okay, so I'm going to pick my lighter that is just here with my left controller. I'm going to grab it. Now I have my lighter, so I'm going to press the Y button, which is this one, the top button of the two circle button, And I'm going to press Y, and here we go. We have a nice little flame. So congratulations, you just made the condition controller input successfully work. When we press the button, we make the condition valid and we can trigger an action. So congratulations again. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.